350% brighter than halogens. Equipped with high luminous efficacy CSP chips and 6000K cool white, E19004 LED headlight bulbs provide further and wider visibility for you to see the deer, wild animals, falling rocks or obstacles in advance to ensure safer driving at night. Ideal beam pattern. Nilight 9004 LED headlight bulbs. High LO enhances super-focused beam pattern for optimal light shape and clearer visibility. No dark spots or shadow areas, no blinding or glare to oncoming drivers, avoiding scattered light problem to ensure safety, 50,000 hours lifespan, 65% energy saving, brighter light output with much less power consumption. Thanks to premium aviation aluminum heat sink with optimized 10,000 revolutions per minute silent turbo cooling fan, 9004 LED efficiently speeds up heat dissipation to ensure superior performance. Lifespan up to 50,000 hours, free you from the trouble of frequent replacements. 10 mins easy install. Bullet-in driver and non-polarity plug for taking up less space in housing.
1 mini size is halogen for higher compatibility. Truly plug and play, quick install in 10 minds.